Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to review the new Senco, and this is the Senco Framepro 325 FR HXP. Now this is my last one that I had, and actually I have a few of these, but it's just not working good at all. It's got problems, and I don't know what model number this is. Oh wait, this is Framepro 752 XP. So they've made quite a few improvements. This one's about, I don't know, at least 20 years old. So today we're going to review the new Framepro 325, and yeah, I'll let you know how I like it at the end. Let's get started. Hopefully it's lighter than the other one. Right off the bat, I can tell you it feels good in the hand. Came with a swivel adapter, and it feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and put it to work and see how it does. Right off the bat, I can tell you that it operates really nice. It feels good in the hand. And yeah, it seems to be a real nice improvement over the old one that I had. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. It seems to be working good. After using the Senco Frame 325 Pro, I can tell you that it feels really good in the hand. It's easy to operate, it's not too heavy, and it performed really well. I used it all day, and I have to give it a thumbs up. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.